Hello, Sheila, back again. Today I'm going to show you our brand new 2021 Burstner Lyseo Harmony 736. Come and take a look. Now, the one I'm showing you right now is our manual. We have our last remaining automatic 160 brake horse arriving next week. So if you want to see it, it'll be here as of next week. First, you got your factory fitted 16-inch alloy Fiat wheels. You have your outside TV point, your outside barbecue point, your full length thrill awning, an awning light that strips the whole way across. You have a large garage in this one. Of course, there's your removable carpets and your seating for the third and fourth passenger. Around the back here, you have your reverse camera and that lovely Harmony line graphic as well. Again, on this end, you have access to your garage. Just such a big space there. Of course, as standard, you have your toilet and your gas holding, but let's go take a look inside. Now, of course, this motorhome comes with an electric welcome step for you, and these also come with a XL premium door as well. Now, the last thing that I need to mention is this comes with a solar panel as well. Now, here is the inside of the motorhome. This is the main living area. Straight away, you will see this is Genoa Pure. For the one coming, it will be Osaka Pure Leather. Unfortunately, what we have here isn't the same, but I will get a clip of it for you if you want to see what that upholstery looks like. Wood finish is the same. It is Baja wood finish, so it's the exact same as this layout. Come on up and I'll show you the dash. Now, the one that I'm showing you, it is a manual and it will be an automatic coming because this manual is no longer available. But you will see you have your multimedia system here with your reverse camera, your Bluetooth connectivity, DAB radio, you name it, it kind of does it. You have your aircon, your USB ports. Across you have your leather steering wheel, your multifunctioning steering wheel. Again, Bluetooth connectivity, speed limiter, cruise control. And as always, you have your Remus blinds that come across the front and on the door as well. When it comes to your living area, of course, your table is movable and extendable as well. This actually doesn't make up the first and second berth. It's the electric bed above me that makes up the first and second berth. And it's just as simple as pressing this button. Of course, you have a ladder then that attaches on so that you can climb up there, but it's as simple as that. And of course, you see there you have additional skylights to kind of bring in light even with that down. And then when you're ready to put it back up, and that's it, done. Onto the kitchen. So into your kitchen, below we have your cooker, along with your 3 gas hob on top. These are just little holders for your coffee pods, whatever you feel necessary. I've probably mentioned this if you've watched a couple of my videos, so I'll just go over it again. This is my favourite feature with the Burstner models. The Burstner will have power lines throughout the motorhome. You can just switch off your light, unplug it, plug it in on another power line. You can buy adapters, so USB ports, different charging ports and stuff, and then they just plug in straight away. And you can place that anywhere on this line, that line, anywhere across the motorhome. Onto your Dometic Fridge here. And there's a little freezer box in there. Nice decent sized fridge. Of course, it comes with a factory fitted TV point here. There's additional USB. This comes with Truma heating as well, and you'll see that set up here. Into the master suite now. Here you have your fixed island bed. and that is extendable as well. You just pull this lever down and out it pops. Push it back up, and then you've got more space around the bed area as well. You'll see there's tons of storage built in around this as well. And really lovely big windows in here as well. There's your storage on that side. Now you do have blinds just to kind of give a bit more privacy, a bit more of a homely vibe, and they just filter down as so. In here you also have a TV bracket to mount a TV on here as well. Of course you have a TV aerial with this motorhome. I don't know if I mentioned that before or not. But there's your master bedroom. In this motorhome layout, you have a separate shower and bathroom, which I'm going to show you now. So you have your toilet here and your shower behind. Now you also have a nice privacy door just to kind of separate them two living areas. And that's really it. So that was our brand new Burstner Lyseo Harmony Line 736. If you'd like to know more about this vehicle, please contact me with my information here. That's my contact and my email. Alternatively, you can drop a message in the comments and I'll pick them up as well. You can message us directly on Facebook or any means possible. And that's really it. I'll see you in the next video.